Landing light's already on. Phone.
Yeah, so before you put the nose down, have a look over your shoulder and verify that it's time to put the nose down.
Okay.
In other words, you don't put the nose down at a particular spot in the pattern.
Right.
You put it down when you're ready to start your descent so that you have a 3-degree glide slope to the runway.
Okay.
And that's a judgment call, and it's going to be different every time. So just get used to making it.
Okay. Nose down. Gear down.
Try not to
Left
pay
down.
attention to...
Romeo Mike, runway 3 left, cleared for touch and go.
This will be a full stop, 348 Romeo Mike.
Try,
Romeo Mike,
try not to use
runway 3 left.
ground references for this, because then you wind up only being able to fly the pattern correctly at your home airport.
Right.
All right, now have a look out there. Tell me if you think you're right on, high, or low.
Following a
Low.
Cessna, about 10 o'clock at 2
Low.
miles at 2,000.
Are you asking or are you telling?
Telling.
Bring the white, bring the path marker to the white line. That's at 850 on the power. And yes, I concur.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, start descent at or below 2,000, please.
At or below 2,000, 30 Alpha.
And then turn the corner
535, maintain at or above 2,000.
and reevaluate, but don't bring the power back until you bring the nose down again. And of course, the nose comes down when you're back on the 3-degree glide slope.
Jet speed 619, hold short to 3 right on Charlie, ready for departure.
Jet speed 619, looking tower, roger. Hold short of 3 right, waiting release.
Hold short 3 right, jet speed 619.
Now here's where, had we loaded an RNAV, we'd be in a better position to give you a little help with the
immediate departure. Meridian's on a 3-mile file.
Yes, we're ready.
Oh yeah, so you do.
Okay.
Jet speed 619 is clear for immediate takeoff, runway 3 right, fly runway heading.
Fly runway heading 3 right, jet speed 619.
All right.
Power back and nose down.
Alpha, Global Express taking runway for immediate departure on 3 right.
Roger, CM for Mike Alpha.
Yeah, that's not going to work
535, the
out.
Cessna you're following is 12 o'clock and a mile northwest bound, currently 2,000.
Gee whiz.
Let's see, no joy on the traffic for 535.
I wouldn't go any more flaps now, because I think we're going around. Let's see how it works. See how you're holding the wing down? See how I know you're holding the wing down? These are uneven.
Okay.
That's better. Don't hold the rudder either. Oh, this is going to work. He's right
500.
on. Okay.
I'll put a little bit more power in now.
Yeah, don't go below 100 knots out here. When you're ready, add flaps.
Okay.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, change of plans.
And then don't give up the threshold. Keep the nose down. Don't let the threshold lose its spot in your windshield.
Cherokee 535, start your right turn,
It's
enter
looking
the
good.
midfield downwind.
And we're going to hold that crab right to the flare.
Right downwind for 3 right.
And when we want out of the crab, we're going to use left rudder just a little. And right aileron just a little.
But it's Charlie Tango Echo 697 looking.
See, as you pull the nose straight, now we're off to the left. So put the nose back so you stay on the center line. Yeah, yeah. Don't be worried. You'll have time. Squeezing off the power. Looking for 90 over the numbers.
Expect runway 3 right.
Arrest the descent right here. Don't let it go any lower. Now you need right rudder. Feel it. Center the pedals, lower the nose. Very nicely done. Now bring this hand back here and get reverse if you want it.
Turn on 25, taxi to the end, into the ramp.
Good. Nicely done.
All right.
Into the ramp.
That felt pretty good, didn't it?
Better, yeah.
Yeah, good. Nicely
Reading
done.
4 Mike Alpha, turn left next taxiway on Delta and contact ground point 9 when you're off.
All right, left on Delta over to ground for Mike Alpha.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off at